beautiful condo in a gorgeous location. Situated on a pond, you will enjoy the view from the master suite and living room. This condo is open concept on the main floor, west/large entry, kitchen/dining area and living room. You will also find 2-bedroom, full bath/laundry room and plenty of closets. Downstairs is a large family room west/built-in bar and counter for a workspace. Also includes egress window for possible bedroom. LL space includes a full bath with sauna and large storage space. No Condo Association applies. Showings to begin the 3rd of May 2021, 4 p.m., all offers to be presented 3/8 at 6 p.m.